Hi friends, I'm still your favorite crocheter, Rachel Chidema. Today we are going to work on this beautiful sandals, new design. Just watch it out step by step. Yeah, I lost part of this video, but don't worry, I will explain all I did here. So exactly what I have on this blue thread, I will do the same on this orange thread. The only difference is that the belt on the blue thread will be shorter. So here I've already done 2 lines here, 2 rows. So I'll add more 1 row here now. And while taking your measurements, remember to measure it out in a slant position like this now. I've already taught severally on how to take your measurements from the tip of the sew in a slant position. Here I've already done 2 rows already, 2 rows. So I started from here to this side, then go back to this side. At the end you make 1 chain and turn, then you walk back. I'm now on the 3rd row now, 3rd row. Don't forget, I'll be doing exactly what I have on the blue rope, so I will do the same thing on this orange thread now. So walk to the end. At the end you make 1 chain and turn back. Yeah, now here I have total of 4 rows, 4 rows. So here I'll be making exactly what I have here, this particular belt. So you work 9 chains, 9 chains. That's it. Add 1 to make it 10, so that if you turn, you skip 1, you crochet on the next one. So it's now remaining 9 stitches. So you walk to the end here, walk to this end, make 1 chain and turn back. Yeah, here I have 6 rows and 2 rows here. So I'll be creating another design here. That's what I'm going to do here. So you make 1 chain and turn. So I'll be working from here to this point, almost half of the stitches. From here to this point, you can see it. So here I have total of 22 stitches. You make 1 chain and turn, then you walk back. Yeah, you can see. So walk to the end. At the end you make 1 chain and turn back. Continue walking till you walk. This is 6 rows. You walk 6 rows. You can see it. So I'm going to crochet this belt now, this short belt here now. So you count out 14 stitches from here. 13 stitches. Then start working from the 14th stitch. So I have 4 rows here. So I'm going to make 4 rows here. On the same stitch, make a single crochet. Continue working to the end. So you work 4 rows. I'm now on the 2nd row. You make 1 chain and turn. Work more 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. That's it. So exactly what I have on this blue thread, that is what I did on this orange thread. So let's create this short belt on the front. Just count out 4 stitches here. Start on the 5th stitch and make 4 rows. 4 stitches, then make 4 rows here. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. So let's crochet on this ring. So you make 8 single crochets on this ring. 8 single crochets. Yeah, you can see it. Then work 4 rows. You can see it. Then fix here. Yeah, you can see we have now pink, yellow and blue. So let's increase our belt with the different colors we have here. Starting with blue, mix with sky blue, pure blue and green. Then you make 1 chain Then start working with your blue thread. Single crochet all through. Continue working till you work 30 rows. 30 rows. You can see it. Then you fix here. But before fixing, I will be weaving it round with black thread. So repeat the same thing here with yellow color here. Then the back one is pink here. After that, you weave it round with black thread. Yeah, you can see it. Wow. So if you love this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Please stay tuned for more tutorials on how to crochet all kinds of crochet shoes. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you on my next video. Bye bye.